So today, I got most of the shop floor cleaned up and brought the little digger in to lift some stuff up to the mezzanine. So it looks a lot tidier in here now. Still a bit to go, but yeah, so we lifted got a big sander and lifted up that set of lockers. So tomorrow I'm going to knock out that wall there. It's a kind of a Jippo lean-to on the side of the old shop. My dad used that for storage, using the gas fireplace business, so it was full of gas fireplaces when we moved in here. Anyways, there's still lots of stuff in there, so that'll be all day tomorrow probably cleaning that out. And then I've got some steel, it's about 8-inch or maybe 10-inch. See, yeah, it's 10-inch C-channel. We'll put it across there and drive the car in there. So you can hibernate in there for a while. I love this machine. Did a lot with this. Lifted all the trusses up with this thing and lifted all those upper walls with it. Came in handy. Once a man has an excavator, he always has to have an excavator.